guys, we're going to go through setting up picture-in-picture in OBS, using your webcam in the bottom right corner, cropping it, etc. Alright, so here we've got just an image. We're going to bring OBS over to this screen so you guys can see what's going on. Alright, here we go. So first thing we have to do is we have to add a video capture device. So under sources, you're going to hit the plus, and then you're going to go to video capture device. Video capture device, that's just the name. You can name it whatever you want. Okay, then it should detect your video capture device. So I'm using this J5 webcam at the moment. And you don't actually have to change anything. As long as you're getting a picture here, it is detecting it all right. And now we want to resize this because at the moment we have two video capture devices. We have display capture, which is our desktop, and then we have video capture. And so if you just click in the top left corner, it'll let you resize it. You can put it right where you want it, maybe right above there. Now we've got a secondary problem. Let's say you're capturing over here and over here, you're capturing way too much. Let's pretend this glowing mushroom is your head. So we want to cut out a lot of this. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold Alt and resize this. And that's actually going to crop to that area. So now we have a different shape. We can cut out from one side, we can cut out from both sides, we can cut out the top, we can cut out the bottom. We get just, put your pretty little face in there, and that's about it. And then you can click to drag to move it around, and then you can even resize it at that without holding Alt, and it's going to just do its thing. So that is how you set up picture-in-picture recording in OBS, and how you crop the image from the webcam, or any image really. You can do that on the desktop too. Desktop capture works the same way if you wanted to get rid of the title bar or whatever the case is. But yeah, hold Alt, that lets you crop, or just stretch it, that just stretches it. Now you don't want to click then hold Alt, that's not going to work. You have to hold Alt before you click. Alrighty, we've got this flipped right now, but that's okay. We can flip it around. If you see this is flipped, if we just do that, we've got it unflipped. Alrighty, there we go. That's how you work that in OBS.
Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to.